Hi, so in this video you're going to see a few places where we have been for walks and a few activities that we like to do when we go on these nature walks. I know that not everybody has like an abundance of nature trails around them. You know, if you live in a city then you might not have so many fields and so many streams, but if you just have a field with grass or a nice garden you can go in, you can do these nature activities and you can still have a nice time being in nature. Yeah, we are quite lucky for the nice places that we get to go. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do and you like this kind of video, let me know, leave a comment down below, give me a like and subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So can you see a bridge near you?
No.
There! Right, you take it off then.
Is there a little colour?
Off it goes.
Yeah. What is it? Is it sheep? Don't know, we might see some. In for a walk? Yeah. Oh, looks like he's taking you for a walk.
Beautiful, darling. Wow, that looks so pretty. Whoa, look at that, beautiful. So we've come on a little walk and we found this gorgeous like woodland stream. It's so beautiful and the kids are enjoying splashing it. We found some shrimp as well, didn't we? So Sam's, are you trying to look for some more shrimp? Oh, I've just saw one there. What have you made? Ooh, I see. Oh, it came out. Oh, we got lots of stones in it now. Yours can be a stony Play-Doh. You squish it. Squish. You put it in your tub. Ooh, does it smell nice? Ooh, lovely. Your flowery one smells nice. Mmm, you smell it? You smell it? Does it smell good? Oh, that's it. The Play-Doh's going in the water. Are you going to scoop some water up? Scoop it. Good job. Wow. What are you going to do with that now? Ah. Good job. Scoop. job. You gonna add it?
I'm gonna knock it off.
Okay. Is it good?
Yeah.
Quite therapeutic. Come on then, let's keep going. Daddy's up there. So another activity that you can do on your nature walk is collect a stick that's got a few little bits coming off it, get some grass and just tie them into rings like I have. I've done different sizes and shapes. We've just got some homemade Play-Doh to keep our stick standing up. And here we have a little DIY either ring toss, obviously if the child's a bit older, like Ruby, or for Eli, it's just a little game to put the rings on. It's good for the hand-eye coordination and the fine motor skills, so